Alright, there we go. Let's see, Medeco M3. I'm not going to lock it back up because I don't have a key for this, so we're just going to gut it as is. Right, how are we going to do that? So just without locking it back up, try and get the screws out. There's one. Oh, definitely not hurting my hands at all there. It's just a cam thing. Yep, it's going to come out, I think. Just put it like that, and I need a follower. And just push that out, get my thumb over the sidebar. There we go. Get back to that in a minute. Alright, so I haven't gutted one of these before, so not an M3 rather, so I'm not quite sure how that side thing, plunger thing works. I think we're going to find out soon. Let's get the sidebar out of there. Hopefully you can see it's got the fingers, sidebar fingers intact. There's one of the sidebar springs. Just and there's the other one. That plunger. Does that come out? Maybe, we'll get back to that. There's the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just interested in this plunger. Is that going to come out of there? I think it will. I think it wants to. There we go. There it is. So got that piece, and then there's a spring too. There we go. So there's the core. Now I think there's actually I don't think that's milling. Oh, weird, there's milling in this side. But not so much in that side. There's like a tiny bit. I think it's because that's where they've put the rotation limiting thing. So it kind of deletes the milling. That's weird. Oh, there we go, M3. Okie dokie, let's get the drivers out. And I'll give you a better close-up of all this stuff. Yep. Standard. Mushroom. Yeah, we'll get back to the springs. Standard. Standard. Yep. And a barrel. It's just springs. And there's the sidebar groove and all that stuff. It's got this cap. You can probably take that off as well for the get the drivers out, but didn't bother with that. Alright, just arrange change these. There's the key pins. I don't think that's a false gate. Is that a false gate? No, surely not. I don't see false gates in these pins very much. This one actually does have a false gate, I think. Yeah, it's got to be a false gate. Yeah. And this one... No false gate. Alright. Well, I'll just give you a close-up view of these. So there we go, there's some nice view of that. You can see there's the legs on the sidebar and the prongs on that M3 thing. Awesome. That's pretty much it. I will check one thing. I just want to see whether I can get the drill protection out of there. No, I think it's crimped in or something. Sometimes these have like a half moon thing that drops out. I was just wondering whether maybe that's in there. It doesn't seem like this one has that anymore. Maybe they discontinued those. Anyway, there we go. That's the Medeco M3. Yeah, it's a bit strange how the milling isn't... I don't know how much that actually affects it, because I've only tried picking this clockwise, but... it seems like the rotation limiter really gets in the way of the milling there. I mean, there's only one barrel anyway, and I didn't really feel much on pin 5, so... Doesn't seem that effective, but yeah. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.